In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in Microsoft Word. Adding lines in Word is a simple way to organize your document, separate sections, or highlight important areas. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently add and customize lines exactly where you want them. First, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the line to appear. This is important because Word will insert the line relative to your cursor's position. Make sure you're clicked in the right paragraph or area of the page before moving on. Next, look at the top of Word for the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you add elements like pictures, shapes, and, in our case, lines. Once you're on the Insert tab, find the section called Illustrations. Inside that group, you'll see an option labeled Shapes. Go ahead and click on Shapes. When you click Shapes, a menu will drop down with a lot of options: lines, arrows, rectangles, and more. At the very top of this menu, you'll see the Line tools. Choose the simple straight line. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change to a small crosshair, which means you're ready to draw. Now move your cursor to the spot in the document where you want the line to start. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag in the direction you want the line to go. When you're happy with the length and angle, release the mouse button. Word will place the line right there. If you want a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag. This is a helpful trick to keep your lines neat and aligned. Once the line is drawn, you can customize it. Click on the line to select it. You'll see small handles appear at each end. At the top of the screen, a new tab will appear, usually called Shape Format or Drawing Tools. Click that tab. Here you can change the color of the line, adjust the thickness, and even choose different styles, like dashed or dotted lines. If you need to move the line, click and drag it to a new position. To resize it, drag one of the end handles. If you make a mistake, just press Ctrl+Z to undo the last action. And that's all there is to it. By using the Insert tab, the Shapes menu, and a few simple adjustments, you can quickly draw and customize lines in Word to make your documents clearer and more professional.